Hi, to set up custom notification sound on your Redmi Note 14 Pro, first thing we need to do is open settings and then scroll down and find the tab sound and vibration. So after that, simply tap on this section notifications and you can customize its sound. So to set custom one, you would need to select this folder, choose local. Now allow some permissions, and after that you can add notification sound from your recorder app, from your audio files or music. So if you got any sounds installed on this device, you can choose music or your audio files. Then, as we did before, allow permissions, and for example I got this one sound installed. So firstly, let me show you how to add it from this music section. For that, simply tap it and then tap OK. After that, you should see it in this tab My Ringtones. So to set it as your custom notification sound, you need to tap this green button Apply and confirm that you want to select this ringtone. And now it is applied successfully. Also, we can find audio files here, so you need to allow some permissions as well. And now you should see your song here as well if you installed it from Google Chrome, for example. To add it from here, just select and on the bottom choose OK. And after that, you should see it in the same tab My Ringtones and just tap Apply and tap OK. Now let's check it. I'm gonna go back in settings, choose sound and vibration, and now we can see the name of this song under notifications, meaning that everything is set up correctly. So that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.